All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's homework question help is once again sponsored to you by The Deli and also brought to you by Texas Instruments TI-84 Graphing Calculator. All right, I just want to kind of go through some of the homework here, directions, so that you understand and can maybe get your questions answered without me there as you're working on this. Okay. So here, obviously, these questions about talking about supplement and complement. Anytime it asks you for a complement, remember that, complementary angles add up to 90. So if it wants the complement of 60 degrees, that's 30 degrees. If it wants the supplementaries add up to 180 degrees. So therefore, if you want the supplement of an angle, let's say it's 100, then that would be 80. Okay? You guys should be able to maybe problem solve through how to find the angle, hands of a clock here. I think you guys could do that. When they give you these questions right here, find the measure of each angle, they're asking you to set up an equation and solve. Okay? So if you had to do number 8, these two add up to 90 degrees, right? Because that's a right angle right there. So then your equation would be 4y plus 2y equals 90 degrees. And then you would get 6y equals 90. All right, divide by 6, and you get y equals 15. And then you have to plug y back into those to actually get the angle measures. Okay, so these two, probably these questions are going to be related to, hey, they either add up to 180 or add up to 90, and you have to set up the equation, solve, and plug it back in. Okay, so make sure you understand how to do that. Okay. So here, same thing here. They don't give you a diagram. They just tell you whether they're supplementary, complementary, or whatever here on 10, 11, and 12. Okay? So, all right. Couple more through here. Okay, I went over on the graphing calculator how to do minutes and seconds, so there's really no reason why you guys can't just plug those into your calculator. Okay, remember that your answer here should be in degrees, minutes, and seconds, so therefore just change it to degrees, minutes, and seconds at the end. If you're converting to decimal on your calculator, just plug these in like they are and hit enter. Okay, make sure you can find what they are. Okay, so if you plug those in, hit enter, it'll give it to you in decimal form. Okay, and that's as far as you need to go. If you want to start working more on tomorrow's assignment, that's fine too. If you wanted to plug these, work on your calculator and plug these in and use the DMS button to change them to degrees, minutes, and seconds, you can do that. Okay, you don't have to plug the degree symbol in for these when you do that. That's up to you. Go ahead and do that. We'll talk more about coterminal angles on Friday when I get back, when we do the second half of 1-2. Okay? So hopefully the notes helped you. Hopefully those little things helped you to solve those types of questions with the equations. Okay? All right. Enjoy your Thursday. And once again, sponsors were The Deli and Texas Instruments TI-84 Graphing Calculator. Everybody have a wonderful day.